Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this chocolate fudge. It's made with only 2 ingredients. And here they are. Now let's get started. In a medium pot, on low heat, add in your chocolate chips and the whole can of condensed milk. And we're just going to be melting our chocolate chips super slowly, so do not be tempted to turn up the heat. Keep it on low and just continue mixing until it melts. Don't forget to scrape the sides and the bottom and do this continuously until all the chocolate chips are melted. It's going to look like the texture of chocolate frosting. It gets pretty thick, and once the chocolate chips are pretty much all melted, we're just going to be quickly adding that into our parchment lined pan. Before adding it, you can also add some toasted nuts into the mixture if you'd like beforehand. I'm just keeping mine simple for my family, or else I'll be the only one eating it if I add nuts. So just smooth that out and then place it in the fridge for 2 hours to harden up. And once that's finished, you can chop it up into whatever size pieces you want. See, it comes out perfectly. And I'm just chopping mine into about 1-inch slices. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. Super easy and tastes delicious. If you want to see more simple recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. And thanks for watching. Bye.